I want to tell you 3 reasons why women keep mute when the cassava is inside the Jerusalem ground. Hi everyone, welcome to another juicy class. Today, I want to tell you the reason why your woman keep mute. Some women, not every woman, keep mute when you are knocking her. You will not see her talking. You will not see her praising you. You will not see her calling you my king, my yodobu. Keep on going. You will not hear that. You will not see her, breathing like someone that did exercise. You will not see that. It's because of these things that I want to list out. So many men has been asking questions. Does it mean that I don't know how to go to the Jerusalem ground? I cannot sing inside the Jerusalem? Does it mean that my cassava cannot, it's not enjoyable? She cannot enjoy the cassava that I cook? All these are the questions some men ask when they meet this kind of a woman. Now I want to open your eyes. Pay attention. Watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't forget to share and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are my regular viewer, thank you, welcome, and God bless you. Remember, I talk about family solution. My goal, my aim is to make sure that you have a joyful home, joyful marriage. Number one is a woman keeping mute. Why the cassava is, inside the Jerusalem ground, why you are knocking her, is because she does not want to distract you. In her mind, she feel like if I start to praise you, I will distract you. I will not enjoy again. So when you see her keep mute, she's enjoying also, okay? Yes. But look at her very, very well. You will see a little facial expression. Look at her finger. You will see her tapping tapping a beat on the bed. That means that the cassava is singing so well in the Jerusalem ground. She doesn't want to distract you. She feel like if she start to praise you, it will be a distraction to you, and she doesn't want that. Number two is she doesn't want to stop because of the sweetness. Yes. She doesn't want to stop because of the sweetness. The sweetness is making her, to keep quiet. She's enjoying the food, the cassava. She's enjoying the food that we are cooking. The knacking. She's enjoying it. The sweetness, the joy of that cassava. She's enjoying it. So that's why she's keeping mute. And number three is, before I continue, I know that you have shared this video, right? Share it and give it a thumbs up, okay? Number three is, she is mute because of the sweetness. Especially when that cassava is locating the G-spot. Especially when that cassava is in the Jerusalem ground from the back. Yes. And be knocking her in that doggy style. Believe me, that Jerusalem will be enjoying that sweetness, and you will not see her, crying or, or hailing or talking, because she doesn't want to distract you, and she doesn't want you to stop. Therefore, no panic. Don't panic at all. Everything is fine. Everything is all right, okay? Note, the only sign that you will see is, is that water coming out. So don't panic. Whether she praise you, whether she clap her hand, whether she, cry, whether she sing, make movement, don't panic. The only sign that you will see is that water coming out. So that is when to tell you that, wow, the cassava is doing well in the Jerusalem ground. Water is coming out like river Jordan. See you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.